How to use the cutting plan system of GetonAgain. Open SQL Server and check the name and account. These are the server name, database username and password. Open this program to set up the employee user account. Click it to connect to the database. Set the server name, database name, user and password. Connect to the database. Click User to add a user. Set the username and password. Click Add to add users. Select the user and click Authority to set the user account permissions. Click Save to save. Open the DGS program to make the pattern. Connect the database in the system setup. Fill in the database information. Click it to connect to the database. Open a pattern file. Set the style name and fabric. Save the file to the database. Right-click to create a new file type. Write the type name. Click Save to save the file. Open the database and send the pattern file to the management to check. The management opens this program to check the pattern file. Click it to connect to the database. Open the OCP program and use the cutting plan. Click it to connect to the database. Write the username and password. Click it to set the currency exchange rate. Edit the material. Click it to create a fabric type. Double-click the fabric type and click it to create a fabric. Set the fabric information. The fabric name should be the same as that in the pattern file. The fabric add is completed. Edit the order. Create a new order category. Create a new order. Set the order information. Select the pattern file. Set the quantity of sizes. Edit the spread. Click it to start the cutting plan. Click it to set the cutting machine information and marker limits. The software has auto-planned the marker. Select a plan. Set the SuperNest. Open the SuperNest program. Connect to the database. Send the marker file to SuperNest. You can check the information of the two plans. This plan is more economical. Keep it. Click it to output the file. You can output in PLT, PLT, Excel or PDF formats. Open this program to save the PLT and cut files. Connect to the database. Click it to output the PLT file. The software will auto-save the PLT file. The PLT file has been saved successfully. Click it to check and print the marker report. Thanks for watching.